What's up everybody, it's your boy Vixie, and today again we're going to look at the part 2 of Fiverr gigs that requires no skill. So I made a part 1 of this Fiverr gig that requires no skill. You can see it here 2 weeks ago, and I recommend you go watch that part 1. Yeah, really made a research there, and I think it's gonna be best for you guys to go watch that. I do research through Fiverr, thorough research every now and then to see different type of gigs. And guys, I must tell you, there are so many people that aren't really stressing themselves on Fiverr, and they're actually making a killing out of it. So guys, we're going to be using a particular tool to achieve what we want to achieve today in this video, and that tool is called canva.com. If you know what canva.com is, fine, let's go. If you don't know what canva.com is, then I recommend you go watch the video below showing how to use canva.com for beginners, and then know how to use the tool. Then you now come back to this video. I do love to do my job, yeah, and make videos like this to show you guys how this is done. So today we're going to be looking at the part 2 of Fiverr gigs that requires no skill at all. Yes! So we're going to start with number 1, guys, and number 1 in my list goes to artwork, guys. So this artwork, if you should type artwork in the search bar, you notice that there are so many people that will create unique pop artworks, that is like music arts or any album art, and so on and so forth. You could just create artworks. Now let me show you guys how people get unique artworks. So if you come to this website that says this artwork does not exist, you are going to be loaded with so much artworks, and all you have to do now is just to click here and then download or save the copy of this image, and it's going to save to your computer. Let me show you how this website works, guys. You just come here and then refresh this website, and guess what, it changes another artwork. Refresh, it changes another artwork. You refresh, it changes another artwork. So let me show you guys how to create an artwork. So when you come and then you save, okay guys, so you come to this place where you say album cover, and then yes, you just click on album cover, and then you can see it has so many album covers here. So what I want you guys to do is you just click on any, and then it opens up. Okay, let's see, you have a lot here. So let's just say customize template. Okay, so it's gonna take you to this place where you're going to customize templates, and I guess what you're going to do, you're going to delete this picture, this image, because I'm sure so many people have this image. So you just delete it to make your own custom, and then come to where it says upload, and then upload this image that you've downloaded, and then so you just click on it, and then it appears here. So you can see this is the image we downloaded from that album art. So you guys can just customize it, do what you want to do with it, easy, and you guys just know how you're gonna do it. And then yes, after you're done, you just click here and then download it for your clients, and then you send it to your client. So it's just a unique piece that isn't everywhere. So you can use that to get images that are strange, and then you can modify those images, and then voila, you are an album art cover artist. So number 2 in our list, guys, is video subtitle. Okay, so guys, you can see so many people are making video subtitle here, and then they're getting paid. So I have a website that is going to make life way easy for you guys to get this subtitle done. So come to this website where it says capwing.com, and then it's gonna give you access to create subtitle in a very simple form. You come here to where it says subtitle, and then you put subtitle, and okay, so you add subtitle, then yes, what's going on, beautiful people? I'm Victor. Okay, let me show you guys how to do this. Sorry, man. Today I'm going to. Okay, so what's going on? So I say what's going on. I say what's going on Yeah, beautiful people. Okay, what's wrong with my words? Okay, so you understand. So this is how it goes. You just click on play.
What's going on, beautiful people? I'm Victor.
So here you're gonna add another one. Yeah, so to say I'm Victor, Victor. Okay, so that is just how you do it, guys. And then you type, and so this website actually just make life way easy for you guys to make subtitle with. So bro, I was kind of wondering, how much does it really cost you to click the like button? It actually costs you nothing to click the like button. Just click it. I have 500 naira here, and I was actually wanting to pay to click the like button, so it's actually free. Yeah, it's free. It's free to click the like button. Just click the like button, bro. Yes. Wait. And then when you get your video from your client, you can just upload it here, and then you make a subtitle out of it. So you just click on export when it's ready, and yeah, you're going to export it to your favorite type. Yeah, you understand what I mean, guys? So guys, the next on my list is called presentation, guys. So with presentation, you can see so many people are doing this presentation. I will design a professional PowerPoint presentation for you guys. You can see so many presentation here, and let me show you guys how to do this now. So guys, if you come to canva.com and you come to this search bar, yeah, you just come here where it says presentation, and then you click on presentation, guys. So you're going to be left out with so many presentation and so many modes of how you want your presentation to be, guys. So you can see so many custom presentation that you can go for. So is it this type of presentation? You should click on it. You're going to see so many templates that you're going to use to present whatever your client has given you to present. So we have so many templates here that you can use, but be mindful of some of this pro, because you have to upgrade to the pro version to have it access to it. So you just click on any type here. Let's click on this, and yeah, you can see you just add this, and then you add this, and okay, add new template. You just click on add new here, and then so much you can do with this presentation gig, and this doesn't really require any skill, guys. You could just come here, and then everything is made free for you guys here. And yeah, you understand what I mean. And guys, if you're confused with this, if you still feel like this still requires skills, guys, you could just tell me in the comment section, Vixie, this requires skills, I still don't know how to do this. Then I will make a tutorial video about every little problem you have when I see it in the comment section. So you should just state it there in the comment section. So guys, the next on my list is video intro. So you can see so many people are doing video intro here. Yeah, you can see so many people are doing video intro here too. So let me show you guys how some of these guys are doing this video intro. So like I said again, canva.com is a very beautiful app. I love canva.com because with canva.com you can virtually do everything in this world that has to do with editing and video and so on and so forth. So when you come to Canva, Canva, and then you click on video, videos, and you're gonna see so many templates that you can see this. You can see so many videos that you can use for so you can see so many templates here that you can use for a video intro for people. You could customize these templates to your own desire. You can customize it, and to the client's desire too. You ask the client what colors does the client want, and so on and so forth. And then you're good to go, if you understand what I mean. And these are gigs that you could actually use, you can actually start doing on Fiverr without any skill, guys. You don't require skills to do this gig. Sorry, I'm so tired, and the way I'm making this video might be boring to some of you guys, but just bear with me, guys. And I don't know. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like if you've gotten value from this video. Peace, guys. Peace.